let's talk about what other things can we do if you want to defend the network. So you can use the network access control, NAC. Access control is just a device or the software which can we make the availability of the network for a specific computer or the device. It may be possibility by using the username and password, or the based on the MAC address, or based on the IP address. It is depend. Another is a security can be implemented by using the honeypot. As its name, honey and pot. It means some honey inside the pot. What does it mean? Does it mean simple like here is a hacker sitting inside the outside the network, and this is my server, web server. So what hacker will do? Hacker will start the scanning. Of course, hacker will start scanning by using the Nmap. Similar we have used. So when it will scan the computer, so what the honeypot will do? Honeypot forward this request to the honeypot. Not honeypot. The firewall will forward the request to the honeypot. So when hacker will see the result, there is a port number 80 open, 21 open, 22 open, 23 open, 24 open, and much more. Honeypot just used in a network for tracking the hacker activity. Means if any hacker want to do any type of the activity, and if it is going to be monitor or want to be monitor the hacker activity, then honeypots can be used. And honeypot will provide the fake information to the hacker, so hacker will start the different type of the attack and perform the different type of the exploit, use the exploit, different type of the attacks. Okay, separation we have already discussed of the segmentation. So one more security device can be used inside the network. It is called IDS, intrusion detection system, and another is prevention system. So intrusion detection system only will detect the intrusion. Intrusion means any type of the activity, malicious activity happened inside the organization. So this is known as a intrusion detection. Okay, another is a prevention system which is going to be prevent from any type of attack. So how the intrusion detection system will work? Intrusion detection system will snip the traffic, means it will capture all the traffic and match with the signature. And what is the signature? Every type of the suspicious or the packet, suspicious packet or the traffic have a specific signature. For the example, if a WannaCry virus, so this virus have a specific signature. On the behalf of the signature, the IDS will try to detect the intrusion, means any signature related to the WannaCry or any virus. So it will just start the alarm. Okay, but IPS will identify the traffic and block it. So this is like the rule. There is a one tool, it is called snort, which is generally used inside the network. So this is the rule set. Okay, so this rule set can be based on the rule, it will detect and the IPS will block the traffic. Okay, so there is a two types of the IDS and IPS mostly are used. One type of the standalone, when your organization is big and there is a lots of the traffic and have the sensitive data, then you will have to implement a standalone. IDS and IPS. Means there is a one server which is dedicated to sniff the traffic and find the suspicious packet. Okay, but there is a some IPS which is integrated with the firewall. This is not ordinary or the old firewall. These are exist in a NGF. And what is the NGF? NGF is a next generation firewall which is working on the application layer 7 and sometime layer on the 4 layer or the 5 layer. It is depend. If there is a integrated IDS and IPS. IDS and IPS generally working over the application layer. Okay. So we have discussed about the network segmentation, screened subnet, firewall uses and types, firewall selection, their placement, proxy servers, NAT, PAT, defense in a depth, IDS and IPS.